Good morning, everybody. It's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. It is Tuesday morning. I have to go to work in a little bit, but I wanted to show you some things that I purchased yesterday, and I think you will love them. We received a tremendous amount of these beautiful Chinese paper cutouts at work. Literally, somebody told me their pet peeve was people using the word literally incorrectly, so I'm probably not using it correctly, so just scratch that word. Truly, thousands of these is what we received. And let me turn this lamp on. There we go. So they are beautiful. They're at least from the 90s and maybe older. So I picked out about 20 to purchase because I would have an idea in mind for some of these. Here is a piece of paper that was in with a lot of these. I don't know how to pronounce these things, but they're paper cuts. And what does this say? Chinese painting. It says assimilating some of the techniques of Chinese painting and woodblock printing. Their products are attractively designed with vivid and lively images, delicately wrought and embellished with magnificent colors, touched in with a fine brush. Yes, it is a beautiful color, very vivid. You can see this one, it's under clear plastic, this orchid or a cellophane, whatever this is. And then there's another one on this side, really pretty. Let me pull this one out. A lot of them were just loose like this, and look how delicate that is. That paper is so thin. We had a couple at work that were bent a little bit, so I tried taking those and gluing them to a sheet of heavy paper, just putting glue down on the paper, and spreading it really thin and then laying the cutout down, and it turned out so beautifully. That was with a small one, even smaller than this. Look at some of the color in this one. This is a larger one. Isn't that beautiful? There are some age spots in some of these, but oh look, they're just gorgeous. So I may be buying some more of these. So let's get to the birds. Some of the birds. Again, they're just so delicate. It doesn't take much for these to just fly right out of this very thin paper and get wrinkled. But the color, oh, it's so beautiful. I do have some ideas for these. They're little lovebirds. And then that is so pretty. Let's just slide that right there. And then I love that one. They're just, oh, they're so beautiful. So if you are local, we have a lot of these in the store right now. Come on, that's not behaving. Another beautiful one. Oh, and this. Look at the peacock. Oh, and the colors in these. Then we go to this just vibrant, these purples and blues. Even this paper that's been sitting on top of it has got a little bit of ink that has transferred over. Probably going to use all of this in collage. And I have some paper that I intend to use, or to try. We'll see how it turns out. This one might go that way. Look how beautiful that is. Just so pretty. Sorry this is taking so long, and I am probably not going to do a lot of editing to this video because I do have to go to work this morning, and I want to have just a few minutes to play before I leave. So you can let me know if you're disappointed in this video. I will try to do better. Is that the right side? It's hard to tell sometimes. Maybe there's not a right side or a wrong side. Although on some of these, it has seemed to me like one side looked a little more detailed, or maybe the color was a little bit different than the other side. Oops, come back. Oh, see, that one already has a fold in it. Let me see if I can show you that. See here at the end where the tail feather is folded over? I don't know if you can see that. So I will straighten that out when I put it on the paper. I want to try some collage work with these and come up with some pages that I can scan. Oh, that is just so beautiful. I love it so much. All of these. More little love birds. So let's leave those in there, and then look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I've got 2 of these. They're just amazing. You can see they slide around on this paper, so the tail feather here is just about over the edge. So I'm going to let you go for this video and work on these a little bit. I may come back and show you how that's turning out. I will for sure. I'm not sure that it will be this morning though. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon and show you how these look on paper. Bye for now.